It's another morning here at Ebenezer Cottage, and while the garden's in full flourish and harvests are coming in thick and fast, I can't help but feel that something's wrong. I think my beans have got the blues. The bamboo supports are too short, and my sweet peas, they have none at all. So I'm going to my neighbour's woodland to harvest some hazel. She's my former school teacher, fellow grower of delicious things, erstwhile actress, and she was also in a new wave band. In today's cost of living crisis, I'd rather cut down on spending and reduce my carbon footprint by gathering my own plant supports close to home. Coppicing is a traditional woodland management technique that dates back to the Stone Age. Cutting the main trunk of the tree produces multiple shoots that can then be harvested in just over 5 years' time. Traditional use for us gardeners is bean poles. And as you can see, I got a decent haul. However, I did also have a hidden agenda, and I got Mandy to sign one of her records for me. Well, I've got to say that I think they look okay. Much more natural shape, a bit more height for the beans to grow up as well. And they were free because bamboos that kind of height is about £9 for a small little bunch at the moment at the garden centre. After my hard work, I think I've got one more little bit of energy in me today. So I'm going to head down to the coast and I'm going to try and catch some protein to have with my produce. And here it is, the Norfolk coast. Somewhere in the distance lies my quarry. A few minutes in the water, and I've got a couple of handfuls of shrimp to take home. A fresh, crisp lettuce leaf from the garden, and my shrimp, which has been mixed with a Mary Rose sauce, accompanied with a light dusting of smoked paprika. Whilst it's just a amuse-bouche, I can confirm that was really tasty. Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video, coming out to the beach with me as well. Do like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.